taste that. But I mean, everything looks so colourful.
Yep.
And then it looks lovely. And it's
really healthy. 20 minutes, just so the sauce reduces. Which is delicious because the coconut just brings out just adds another level. Next, we have tomato and feta salad. Very simple, just chopping really. And we're going to dress it with this fabulous cold-pressed rapeseed oil, which, because it's cold-pressed, it's a really top-quality ingredient, just adds a little kind of nuttiness to it. Really, really nice. So it's just chopping. Tomatoes. I'm going to cut out the little extra bit here. Just so nobody gets that in their teeth. But otherwise, I'm just going to cut them into wedges and then in half. And tomatoes, if it's not in the height of the season and the tomatoes aren't super ripe, then I learnt this from working with Italians. Italians will always put just a little pinch of sugar on the tomatoes just to bring out the flavour, and also because sugar and salt are both hygroscopic, they also bring out the juice of the tomato. So that is what we're using as the acidity to dress the salad. So there's no vinegar or lemon juice in this salad as you would normally have with a salad dressing. So I'm going to put this on my serving plate. So now I'm going to add the sugar and the salt to bring out the flavours. So I'm going to add a half teaspoon of salt and a full teaspoon of sugar to really be used as a seasoning. I'm going to just mix that up slightly. Then chop the feta. And the feta is quite salty, so that's why we didn't put too much salt on the tomatoes, otherwise it would just feel too much. There we go. Sprinkle this on. Tablespoon or two. Of this beautiful rapeseed oil. Look at the colours of that, it's beautiful. And there you go, so simple and totally delicious.